Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in an editor that allows direct content edits. Make sure you use a copy, not the original. Once the file is open, switch into Editing or Edit PDF mode and reveal thumbnails or layers so you can see structure. This helps you target text blocks, images, or form fields. You want to identify the exact pages and objects to change before altering anything, because taking stock first prevents accidental data loss later. Now you perform the actual content changes. Select a text block to edit copy, update fonts or sizes to match the layout, and adjust alignment. When changing images, delete the old image and import a new one with similar dimensions. Make sure resolution stays consistent to avoid blurring. For complex pages, use object order or layer controls to push items forward or back and lock unchanged elements. This preserves layout while allowing precise adjustments across multiple pages. Finish by proofing every altered page and resolving any line breaks or kerning issues. Once done, flatten form fields or save an optimized copy to reduce file size. Make sure you pick the right compatibility setting, PDF/A for archiving or standard PDF for sharing. If you hit problems, check document permissions and security settings. Make sure the file isn't password locked. As a fallback, export or print to PDF to embed changes, which often resolve stubborn layer or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.